Market's preference lists and preference page allow users to opt in to the list and content they find most valuable. By giving users control over their content, we can ensure they're receiving pertinent information, improve content engagement, and increase open and click rates, and reduce the number of unsubscribes. In this example, we're looking at how users can customize the preference page. So when a user receives an email containing a link to manage their preferences, they're presented with your customized preference page. SugarMarket maintains both lead and account records within a default field for automatic linking. There's also an account-based view to see not only account-based scores, but also a detailed view of all leads involved in the account and their associated engagement interactions and scores. This consolidated view is also provided to the sales team through our native CRM integrations, so sales reps as well as service reps have visibility into the account, who on your team is talking to which people, and what campaigns people in that company have participated in.